with me and discover what is going on here. You see? More little dogs all over. That's amazing. So this is Happy Pet, Quattrozampeinfiera, and but from this here, over here, oh wow, we are gonna see more baby boys. And you see, these are all the patches and the things about this baby boy and all the prize they want, these amazing baby boys. And see, this is the Labrador battle. This is Alani e Bassotti, from the most high to the little and small baby boy. Okay. And here we have one of the most wanted stand for sure is Golden Retriever, and I want to say hello to this big boy here. They are always happy and joyful because I want to put my face with you, with yours. Your face, my face. Okay, that's right. I was worried because I can't stay together because they are really funny, and they are really well beloved dogs. And here we have one of the most wanted these days are Chihuahua boy. Hello boy. Hello boy. Hello baby boy. What's his name? Lila. Wow. A little boy. Hello, it's a camera. It's a camera. All the prizes they want. Prizes. And these beautiful. Hey, two cockers. Ciao. See? These people are really passionate people about dogs and their activities. You can see really amazing dogs, amazing people working here in a perfect atmosphere. So I think it's one of the most important events. Oh, wow. And these guys, most barking guys on air. I don't know which one, Turboland. Turboland I think is another kind of for these cuties because they have to wait for a long time. And tomorrow they have to be back here, but I think they are really bored. It's so boring in a way it's funny, but in a way it can be boring for a dog to stay here. Okay, this is the first part. We're gonna see these guys. Hello, hello.
Dove vai?
Hello.
Dove vai? Aspetta il tuo turno.
My all stars. So can you tell me in English the
Dog argentino.
okay dog argentino in English as well? Anyway, in Italian is dogo argentino. They are two big guys. Okay, thank you. Ciao amore.